Order. Question number 3, Simon O'Connor.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. My question's to the Minister of Health and asked, what reports has he received on New Zealand's health system?
The Honourable Dr Jonathan Coleman.
Mr. Speaker, many reports have crossed my desk recently on the improved performance of our health system under National. Whether it's the 50,000 extra elective surgery operations we're doing every year, or the 400,000 extra kids who now have free access to GP visits. I've received another upbeat report published in the Southland Times yesterday which says, quote, overall, the health system is working well. We do have a good health system. Those are the words of a Mrs. A. King of Rongotai, and I want to thank her for her positive endorsement of the government's performance in health.
Supplementary question. Order. I'm just waiting for a bit of... Sorry, I've called the Honourable Annette King supplementary question.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. In light of that answer, would the Minister like to complete the quote that I made, which said the health system is creaking round the edges and does demand some action?
The Honourable Dr Jonathan Coleman.
Well, actually, Mr. Speaker, that's not what I believe the member said, but I thank her for her positive endorsement. It's great to have her on board with Team Health New Zealand. Thank you very much.
Supplementary question, Simon. Order. Supplementary question, Simon O'Connor.
To the Minister, what other reports has he seen supporting Mrs. King's view that we, quote, have a good health system?
The Honourable Dr Jonathan Coleman.
Mr. Speaker, yesterday I released the latest quarterly report on the health targets. They showed that the primary care target to help smokers to quit was met for the first time, with a national result of 95%. In addition, all DHBs met the improved access to elective surgery target and delivered 10,614 more elective surgical discharges than planned. The government is committed to delivering year-on-year increases in elective surgery. These results are a fantastic achievement that is improving patients' experience of the health system.
Supplementary question, the Honourable Annette King.
Did he also know that at the public meeting where there was standing room only, that I also said that the health budget is missing $1.7 billion since this government was elected 7 years ago, that there are many people in Southland, Otago dying of bowel cancer because he won't roll out a bowel cancer screening program to the southern part of New Zealand where the highest death rate and incidents are. Did he also hear about... Oh, is that
Bring
not,
the question to an end.
Oh, well, I've got plenty more, Mr. Speaker.
No, well, the members had an opportunity. The Honourable Dr Jonathan
Of course,
Coleman.
we all know that it's completely untrue that there's $1.7 billion missing from the health budget. We actually put in $400 million more last year. I think it's time Mrs. King became more positive inside the House, because she's actually been quite positive when she goes around and speaks to people around the country about our record.
Order. Point of order, Chris.
Mr. Speaker, I wonder if in due course you could give some further consideration to a situation where the government use a government question in order to attack an opposition member of parliament, which of course... but hang on, hear the point of order. I think you should hear the point of order, which there are speakers ruling against. There are two ways that the opposition can approach that. One is that we can raise points of order with you about it. The other is that we can join in and have members asking supplementary questions on that. But I think that involves a little bit of give and take from you as Speaker as well, in allowing the opposition effectively a chance to respond in the form of a question without being cut off.
Order.
It was hardly right to say that the question was attacking when it was praising the Honourable Annette King for her positive comments about the New Zealand health system.
Order. No, I don't need any assistance from the member. This is question time. The principal purpose is to hold the government to account, but inevitably there will be political debate around questions and answers. That's happened for as long as I've been in this House, and it will have happened for as long as Mr Hipkins has been in the House. In that particular exchange, I did note there was one supplementary from the government. There were two very good supplementaries from the Honourable Annette King, who certainly had her chance to respond to the answers that were given. Question number 4, Materia Ture.